Have you ever felt someone's presence before they even spoke? Or walked into a room and instantly sensed tension or peace? That invisible vibe you feel, science now tells us it's real. It's not magic, it's energy. Every living being emits an electromagnetic field, a measurable layer of energy that surrounds and interacts with the environment. In spiritual traditions, this field has long been called the aura. But what exactly is an aura? Is it spiritual, biological, psychological? In this video, we'll explore all of it, the science, the research, and the real meaning of your personal energy field. Let's start with the basics. Every cell in your body produces tiny electrical currents. Your heart, brain, and nervous system generate electromagnetic fields constantly. According to the HeartMath Institute, the heart's field can be detected several feet outside the body. It's not just electricity, it carries emotional information. When you feel calm, your heart rhythm becomes smooth and coherent. When you're anxious or angry, the rhythm becomes chaotic. And this energetic pattern radiates into your environment, influencing both you and others. So when people talk about aura energy, they're often describing a real biological phenomenon. The combination of electromagnetic, thermal, and psychological signals your body continuously emits. Some researchers in biophotonics, the study of light emitted by living organisms, have discovered that human cells release ultra-weak light particles called biophotons. These photons may help cells communicate and maintain balance, so in a way, your body literally glows, just at a level the naked eye can't see. Many scientists believe this low-level light emission could be part of the aura effect people sense intuitively. Even though modern instruments can detect these fields, they don't yet explain the subjective experience, why some people feel energy strongly, or why emotions seem to affect the vibe around us. This is where neuroscience meets consciousness. Think of your aura like a reflection of your inner state. Your brain and nervous system respond to every emotion, and that affects your body's energy field. When you're relaxed, your brain waves slow into alpha and theta states, producing coherence between mind and body. When you're stressed, you enter a beta-dominant state, and your field becomes erratic. Studies using EEGs and heart coherence monitors show that emotions literally change your electromagnetic output. That's why you can feel when someone's energy is off. Your nervous system is picking up subtle cues. From a psychological view, your aura reflects your subconscious conditioning. Long-term stress, unresolved trauma, or suppressed emotions create energetic patterns that affect how you feel and behave. This isn't mystical, it's neurochemical. When you're in emotional pain, stress hormones like cortisol alter your breathing, heartbeat, and posture, which all influence the field you emit. In energy medicine, these blockages are described as distortions in the aura. In science, we'd call it nervous system dysregulation. Different language, same phenomenon. By calming the nervous system through meditation, breath work, or grounding techniques, your field stabilizes. That's why mindfulness and emotional healing are scientifically proven to improve heart coherence and immune response. Now, let's talk about color. Many aura readers describe colors around people: red, blue, green, violet, each linked to a state of being. From a scientific view, colors are symbolic interpretations of emotional and energetic frequencies. Here's how we can understand them psychologically. Red, rooted energy, linked to adrenaline, grounding, and vitality. A person with strong red energy is often driven, action-oriented, physical. Orange, emotional flow, connected to creativity, sensuality, and motivation. Too much may lead to impulsivity, too little, emotional numbness. Yellow, mental energy, focus, clarity, and self-confidence. Balanced yellow means optimism. Excessive can mean anxiety or overthinking. Green, heart energy, empathy, compassion, and healing. It reflects emotional balance and forgiveness. Blue, communication and expression, linked to calmness and authenticity. People with blue energy tend to be honest and thoughtful. Violet, higher awareness or creativity, intuition, and spiritual connection. While not measurable like a frequency, these colors correspond to real neurological states. Different emotional patterns produce unique electromagnetic signatures. In Eastern medicine, these are mapped to chakras, energy centers along the spine that regulate body-mind balance. Though chakras aren't visible under a microscope, their descriptions align surprisingly well with nerve plexuses and endocrine glands in modern anatomy. So whether we use the word aura, biofield, or subtle energy, we're describing a multi-layered interaction between mind, body, and environment. Your aura, or energy field, responds to everything you do: sleep, diet, stress, movement, and even your social interactions can either recharge or deplete your field. Here's what research and ancient practice agree on. 1. Deep breathing. Slow, rhythmic breathing increases oxygenation and heart coherence, balancing your electromagnetic rhythm. 2. Meditation, shown in multiple studies to reduce cortisol and synchronize brain and heart activity. This expands your field's strength and stability. 3. Grounding, earthing. Direct contact with natural surfaces, grass, soil, sand, allows electrical exchange with the Earth's negative ions, reducing inflammation and stabilizing energy. 4th, movement. Physical exercise increases circulation and clears energetic stagnation. Yoga, Tai Chi, or even walking all enhance bioelectric flow. 5. Sound and frequency. Music and chanting can synchronize brainwaves, altering energy vibration and emotional state. 6. Light exposure. Sunlight regulates your circadian rhythm and serotonin, recharging your biofield naturally. 7. Emotional release. Writing, therapy, or mindfulness helps clear unresolved tension, which otherwise distorts your field. From a scientific standpoint, these aren't spiritual hacks. They are proven methods to align your nervous system, which directly shapes your aura. When your biology is balanced, your energy field becomes more coherent and people around you can feel it. So, where is this going? Researchers in biofield science and quantum biology are now studying how subtle energy fields may influence healing, emotion, and even consciousness. Institutions like UCLA's Consciousness Lab and HeartMath Institute are developing technologies to measure emotional resonance and the transfer of bioenergy between people. Some studies show that human intention, focused thought combined with emotion, can subtly influence the electromagnetic environment. It's the science behind the power of positive energy, not as a belief, but as measurable coherence. The aura, then, might not be mystical at all. It may be a complex bioenergetic communication system that connects all living things. Every time you think, feel, or act, you're sending a signal into that system, shaping your environment and your own biology. You are a generator of frequency, and the aura is your broadcast. That's why people with calm, loving energy tend to make others feel safe. Their field is coherent, regulated, and harmonious. So the next time you walk into a room, remember, you're not just being there, you're transmitting your state of mind, your emotional quality, your level of presence. They all ripple outward in ways we're only beginning to understand. This isn't mysticism anymore. It's science catching up with ancient wisdom. And that's the real journey of the aura. Not something supernatural, but something deeply human. You are energy in motion. You are an electromagnetic field of consciousness. You are the light you carry. If this video helped you understand the science of your aura, remember, awareness itself is transformation. When you understand your energy, you can shape it, heal it, and share it consciously. If this resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe to Soul Vibrations Official for more deep dives into consciousness, energy, and inner science. Because the more we understand our energy, the brighter our world becomes.